Welcome to your daily moment of connection with abundance, where we immerse ourselves in the energies that attract wealth and prosperity into our life. In this sacred space, feel gratitude for what you already have. Be thankful for the experiences, learnings, and opportunities that life offers. Before we start, we count on your collaboration through the Apoya Say platform. The link to more information can be found in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our meditations and tips for an abundant financial life. Ready to get started? Find a quiet place, breathe deeply, and allow yourself to be enveloped by this meditation. Close your eyes and feel the energy around you, a constant flow of possibilities. Visualize a field of golden light that surrounds you, radiating confidence and prosperity. Now, focus on your breathing. Inhale slowly, filling your lungs with fresh, revitalizing air. As you exhale, release any tension or worry. Imagine yourself surrounded by an emerald green light, the color of healing and life energy. This light permeates your entire being, purifying and releasing blockages that may be preventing prosperity from entering. Visualize your financial dreams as reality. See yourself living the life you want, enjoying financial security and the freedom to accomplish your goals. Feel the gratitude for the wealth that flows your way. Accept it with an open heart, knowing that you deserve to receive abundance in all areas of your life. Affirm with conviction, I am worthy of wealth. Prosperity is my true nature. I am open to receive all the blessings the universe has for me. As you prepare to return to your day, take with you a sense of trust and gratitude. Be aware of the opportunities that will arise and be ready to seize them. If you want to continue this journey of financial transformation, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Wealth and Prosperity. There, you'll find more powerful meditations, practical tips, and daily inspiration to attract the abundance you deserve. Together, let's create a path to prosperity. Peace and prosperity.